That is nuts. It's just etching that tip away.
That is like razor sharp. The other night I was looking around on Amazon looking for a tungsten sharpening attachment for like a Dremel or whatnot. There's so many different choices and options, and I came across this thing called, well, Chem Sharp. I was intrigued. I'm like, why did Amazon say that, this is a sharpener? And so then at Chem Sharp, I kind of read it a bit and looked up online, looked at a video. It's like witchcraft in a jar, man. The chemistry behind it, I haven't looked up how or why, but it's pretty cool. Like, and so I figured, well, I'd order some. Now let's go over and let's see how it works. All right, well, here we go. It doesn't say on the jar if I need gas on or anything. I don't know. I'll throw it on anyways. All right, well, let's give it a shot, I guess. It's weird. Normally you're trying to have an arc and not stick, but...
Oh, there we go. Uh-oh.
Okay, so my welder is a lift TIG. I wonder... Well, we'll try to heat it up again.
I wonder if it matters because it's a lift TIG setup. Well, there we go. Oh, wow. That is nuts. It's just etching that tip away. I have no idea how it's doing this. Oh, wow.
Look at that tip. That's nuts. Wow. That is like razor sharp. Like, it's like a needle sharp. I don't even know. That is wicked sharp. Huh. Well, it does exactly what it says it does. I think the only thing a guy runs into is with the lift TIG setup. I mean, I think I can turn that off or change the way it works, but really, for the first time, a success like that is bizarre. And like, I mean, this is normally the way my tips look. I mean, that one's pretty good, but the sharper the better. And like no grain striations from the grinding wheel or anything. It's actually kind of fun. So yeah, well, now we know. We have to try welding something to see what a tip like that is like. Let's give that a shot. And I mean, it was cheap. Like, I think it was like 18 or 20 bucks. I don't know. There'll be a link in the description below to exactly where I got it, because there was only one provider on Amazon. So I'll make it easy for you, and I'll put a link in the bio. Let's just throw something up here and see what we can do. All right, don't laugh.
Man, that looks good. Oh, wow.
What a difference. Like, that arc coming off the end of that tungsten, I've never had it, like, it's like a scalpel. I've never had a tungsten that sharp. And now, of course, the very perfect tip is gone, but...
There we go. Wow.
Okay, yeah, big time believer. That is... I've never had it so bloody controllable. Like, I'm a novice TIG welder at best. So if I can tell a difference, there's a bloody difference, man. Like, wow. Yeah. 10 out of 10. Like I said, link in the description. Hit the like and subscribe.